that the best way to learn something new is to immerse yourself in it. To learn French, live in Paris for a season. To learn to surf, hop on your board and brave the waves. And that's just how you're going to learn JavaScript, by using it. Toward that end, you've entered the Con Solo Game Jam. Con Solo is a hackathon during which the participants build a JavaScript game from scratch in 24 hours. Talk about immersion. Don't worry though, in real life, you'll have all week to build this project. The game you're going to create is a battle simulator called Robot Gladiators. The player will name their robot and fight a series of robot enemies. During each round, the player will be able to choose whether to fight or buy repairs and upgrades at the shop. The game will run in the Chrome DevTools console. The rules of the Con Solo Game Jam dictate that participants must not use any CSS or images. They may only use the minimum amount of HTML necessary to load the JavaScript. This might sound challenging, but these restrictions will help you focus on learning JavaScript without distractions. Believe it or not, throughout the course of building this relatively simple game, you'll learn all of the fundamentals of JavaScript. You'll write functions that start the game, make the robots fight, shop, and end the game. You'll learn how to store player and enemy data in variables so you'll know exactly how much health or attack they have. In doing so, you'll learn how to loop over arrays, which is a way of sequentially accessing items in a list. You'll also write conditional statements so that you can make decisions like what to do when a player's health drops below 0, and a whole lot more. To keep your focus laser sharp and to make the most of your time, you'll lean heavily on GitHub issues to gauge when you've created a minimum viable product, or MVP. Creating an MVP means that you'll do the least work possible to create a fun game that meets the game jam's requirements. It's likely that you'll encounter MVPs in your career as a full-stack web developer. They're often used to create an app that's just ready enough to share with end users for feedback early in the development process. Let's not spend any more time talking about what you're going to do. Let's do it. Let's smash some robots.